Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow social bookmarking backlink. So the website name is start.me and I can provide this website URL over the description section so where you guys will access easily. And before this started we can do some research. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 79 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 71 and the spam score is 44% only. If we can check this website traffic, so you will see around 176k a monthly traffic and mostly traffic from USA, India, Belgium, Canada, Netherlands and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the create your free start page, and then there you can put your email address. Click on the sign up button, and there you can add your brand name. This is your language. This is your location. Click on the continue. Select the free plan. Skip this step. This is asking for the you can add a Chrome extension. So this is not needed for us. So click on the skip this step and you will see our account is created. Now next. Okay, this is a boring thing, but we can still, yeah. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. Let's see, is there anything to we can add in our profile? So I guess there is no anything to we can optimize profile kind of things. So let me check a profile picture. Okay, so if you're wanting to upload a profile picture, so you can. Yeah, so profile picture is updated, name is added. Yeah, so everything is looks good. Pages. Okay, so start page, you a private. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things, so now we can move back. So this is main dashboard. So what you guys have to do, click on the pages and you will see there is a option to create a new page. Click on this and there you can add your page name. So you can add a brand name, then you can add a description. So I have added a description, so I guess I copied a lot of things and then you can click on the create a page button. So you can see your page is created, Jobma, and you can click on the plus icon, click on bookmark and there you can add your URL. So let us add our first URL there. Click on the done button and you can see this is your new widget. So what you have to do, click on the add bookmark. There you can put your website URL and there you can add your URL title. So I guess this should be so Jobma AI video interview software. So this is my targeted title and where I have include my targeted keyword as well. And if you wanting, so you can add a icon as well if you wanting. So you can upload icon, custom icon. Either there is option to can upload from the URL and then you can click the select. I guess this is automatically updated and if you can click on the description drop down, so there is an option to you can add some description as well. So let me use this description and the paste to description here. Click on the add bookmark and you will see this is your bookmark. Your bookmark is added. If you can hover, you are able to see your description. So this social bookmark is not alive yet. for public. So what you guys have to do, you can click on the three dots, click on the share button, and you can enable this icon and copy this link. And if I can show you in incognito, so you will see this is approved backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So I guess there is no any option. You can inspect and check this is a no follow or do follow. So if you can click on this, so your page is directly opened in your window. Okay, so overall, this is the process for the social bookmarking. So following the same method, you can create a multiple and the many social bookmarking backlink for your all pages, post, or anything. Okay, so overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. And if you wanting a social bookmarking a backlink list, so you can search in Google a DML training. So there I have created my website. So you can see this is my first website. Open this website and go to the backlink section. There I have created each a section like a profile creation, social bookmarking sites. You can click on this. You can scroll something and you can found my all social bookmarking list here. So there I have added my all verified links and with a video tutorial. So if you facing a problem to creating a backlink on this website, so you can watch this video directly from here. Okay, so okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.